Alright, what's good, y'all? It's Ike Entertainment. So this is my 5th month update. It is currently October 2nd. I've been like stacked with like classwork and just a bunch of other things, so like I wasn't able to do it on the 30th. But hey, I'm out here, I'm doing it. So basically, what I've been doing is y'all can see I got my water. I got LIFEWTR on me. I've just been grinding it out every second I can, trying to turn down all of this. This is like roughly 2 bottles of water in one. So I've been doing that. As I mentioned in my last video, I've been using wild rose hair oil. So what I do with that is my cousin Chiba. Make sure to subscribe to Chiba. I'll probably leave his link, down below in the description. But basically, he told me that what he does is he puts it on 3 days out the week. So I've been doing it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I haven't been as consistent as I probably should be, but I used it last night and it's been working. Right now, I'm just trying to grow out my sides to get them past my ears. I've started using the curl sponge already. I'll do a how to use a curl sponge video soon if you guys want that. But what I've been doing is I've been using a curl sponge, but I noticed that like my sides aren't long enough, and it's just like staying really close to my head. It's not really like flowing as much as like the top and the back. So what I'll do, and Chiba also put me onto this, use a pick, kind of like lift the sides a bit. Don't like pick it all the way out or else the curls will be gone, But lift it out just a bit, and it kind of gives an illusion as if it's more hair than what you actually do have. So that's a pretty cool thing. I use it every day, and it's been working for me. So I'm doing that until my sides grow out. I'm probably going to get a cut, if not, probably tomorrow. Cause like I got this music video thing I'm doing with Abstract the Entertainer. Y'all check him out, pop artist in Philly. So I'm trying to give myself a cut before then. So I think that should be lit. That's gonna be a couple tape of face as usual. Also, lastly, I've still been using the As I Am double buttercream. I use that basically every day. But here's my method, right? What I'll do is it's kind of what I told you guys before. But I noticed, at least with me, I have to wash my hair out just with water, like lukewarm water. Make sure it's completely free of like any products. I pick it out, let it air dry throughout the day, and then I take some water, just a little bit, dab it in my hair, make sure I massage my whole moisturizing method, and then I apply that As I Am, and then my hair is like at its fullest length. Like right now, bruh, let's do a 360. This is what we're working with right now. I probably should have done it like earlier. That's what we're working with right now. Yeah, man, it's all consistency. You just gotta stay determined, keep at it, and you're definitely gonna see the results you want to see. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more updates, if you want me to push more hair tutorials. Also, make sure to watch the Chiba Lock Chop video. That John was lit. I think it's about to be at like 80 views right now. Also, let me know what you want to see on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.